Yes.
Finally, we're here at the grand opening of LifeWave in the Philippines. Samahan niyo ako. We are here. Oh, diba? Nangyari dito sa LifeWave. And, with Dr. Chu. Hi, sir. Hello. Hi, hello, sir. Sir, we're happy that you're here. Yes. Yeah. Representing the Philippines from the US. Yeah. Alright. Going inside with Miss. Diba? Ganda. So, the opening of the office. So, ito yung ganap. Hi, hello, it's okay. So, ito na siya. Gala. Hi! O, diba? Hello! Hello, everyone! See you later! O, diba? Everyone is here. We're doing some live. Okay, so, medyo maaga pa. So, this is the office. Hello! So, ito yung mga ganap natin today. Bago tayo mag-start. Start at 1:30 p.m. So, nag-i-invade lang ako dito. Doon ako. So, ito yung office. Ayun. Of course, the president of LifeWave, Miss Lori Berger, is here. Came from the US, so we're so happy that today is the grand launch of LifeWave Business Center in the Philippines. And Lori is here. We're so happy, Lori, that you're here. So, guys, we are just starting here with LifeWave here in the Philippines. We're looking forward for you, everyone who can join us and be part of LifeWave family. Again, we're starting. This is a business that doesn't have any competition in the market right now. So we're looking forward for all of you to be part of LifeWave here. And so see you around. I will provide you more footage on today's event at the Grand Launch. Oh, GM, the person, our mother here of LifeWave. We're very mother dear. And
visit us soon.
Yeah, exactly.
We have, set up the office very nicely. It's fully equipped for your events and trainings. Please do join us.
Yes, thank you so much, GM. Oh, ᴏᴜᴜ. Hello. Yeah, we're
Is
invading.
that live?
No, it's
It's
recording.
recorded. Welcome to the new office.
Yes, come over, join us.
Join us.
Mwah. Thank you. With the SPD, right? We're going here at the other side. All of the SPD. It's a big office here. Diba? SPD! Yes! Diba? Picture. One more. Alright, thank you. Alright, so dito tayo. Gorgeous. And we're going to the other side. So, there's a bar connected to the office. So we are having right now the bar. So we're here. Hi everyone! Hello! Kapatid! Hello everyone. Ayan po. Hello kapatid. Hello po. So we're here at the bar right now. We have some drinks here. Yeah. Picture 1, 2. Hindi po. 1, 2. Alright. Magsa-start na. Tara. We're here with the SPDs, ED, and SPDs. Just start na tayo. Let's go tayo sa likod. Oo, diba? Mas laki huwag ka ano dyan.
Sa pila ha? Well, ang pamamimigay ng pagkain.
Bumalik sa pila, walang Nutriban.
Pwede bang imisindihan?
Pakandila.
Miss Lagi, pwede bang imisindihan? Pwede bang imisindihan?
Si RG sa
First week. I want to challenge you with the passion video. Otherwise, I mean, spread.
Pacific School, we call on our Vice President, our President for Global Sales and Marketing, Lori Berger.
Ooh, we're here. Well, first of all, I want to just congratulate Dang and her